All right, so Wes has been disassembling. Wow. Now,
look at this fucking wire right here.
The RV has had some engineering, I guess we could call, done to it. It's got buttons and lights, and we don't even know what this is or who made this, but it's a hot mess of wiring. So, and we don't know what any of it goes to. Like, what does that even say? Water level.
Black
green?
water level.
What's
green?
Pump on.
Pumping.
Oh, white furnace.
Red.
Something for meth. Does it say meth?
That's what it looks like. Oh, Hobbs hour meter.
Oh, that looks like meth.
It looks like meth.
Okay, so we know what's what. So we need to move that to get to that so we can chase all of our electrical and rework that. Fun times, sir. I'm sorry.
It's gonna be fun.
This is ridiculous, but wow. Okay, Wesley's got the cluster. We call this a cluster fuck. Okay, good, because we're on the same page.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull that out. We get to nice footrest you got there, sir. Because gotta wire it before we can go any further there. So, all right, next step: pull the cluster, see what goes to what, chase it. Wes can't stop laughing.
Wait till you see what's under there.
Oh shit! He's laughing uncontrollably. It's like I just walked into it.
It's a delusional laugh.
Oh my god! And we want to get that tack to work too.
Yeah.
Gonna get the tack to work. We're gonna put a Ford style solenoid on it so everything's nice and easy to wire up. Fun times. Oh god. I was gonna redo all this, but I think we're gonna not touch this. And then we're gonna add maybe our own temp and oil. Fun. Alright, so here we are. Uncomfortably under the dash of the Winnebago. We're gonna redo the factory oil pressure line here because it goes into the gauge. There's actually all kinds of weird wiring. There's a lot of vampire clips, which is scary. Look at that, vampire clip. Where'd the thing? Oh, look, twist tie from a loaf of bread. Twist tie from a loaf of bread. We did find the second fuel pump that somebody put on here, but it's a nice switch on the dash and it works really good. So we're gonna leave that alone for priming. Yeah, Wes and I are currently losing our minds right now. He's disconnecting the battery, and he'll send me over some pictures of that. You're gonna lose your noodle on that too. Lots of excessive wire going to who the hell knows. Yeah, so this is gonna be really fun. So I started. Oh, Wes is laughing. Well, I'm laughing. We're all laughing. There was this here. Let me pull it up. This guy was wire nutted with a bunch of other nonsense here. So I'm like, okay, pull that down over there. Undo that. I start chasing, and it ends up going into this, and it terminates into nothing. Oh my god. Wait. So Wes, that green wire that I had that went to red, that went to blue.
So you got
it went
red, blue, a junction of wire.
Now this started green on my side. to red. And then all the way over here to white. Right there. Alright, well, eliminate it. Alright. Because it's all not stock, so it's going to go bye-bye. Cool. Jesus. Okay. Alright, so we did quite a bit of junk removal. And now we are hunting for orange and blue. It would be in that harness, Wes. Somewhere. Which would be the factory temp sender. Unless it's in this disastrous mess over here. I got an orange. Which it goes. Because that's what we're looking for next. But our luck, it was probably hacked. Ooh, that doesn't look good. And then we got this looped nonsense here. We did get a lot out today, though. Ooh, I can't lose that thing. I need that for later. So we got our cruise control figured out. We just need to put, which we might not even be using anymore. I wonder if it changes color. Oh, hey, look. What? These colors? Orange and blue! Orange and blue! Oh, wait, no, that blue's that fuel line. Ah, so that was stuck. So I bet you this orange is the temp sender, though. Oh, yeah, because the temp sender was on the back side of the other head. Because the old heads went to water on the back side. The factory heads. Mm-hmm. So, yes, this is the temp sender. And this blue is that fuel pump. That auxiliary pump. Fun. Which works. And we're going to leave it for priming. This orange can get cut right back up here. That's this one, though, right? Yeah. Yeah, but we could run it up there. Yeah. And we'll plug it in here. You just cut it up here and you'll be able to move it over here. Okay, so we have cut no wire. That one wire. We have that sender. So we can put that in. So that's wave one of unnecessary BS that was under the dash. Excuse me. Yeah, so that was productive.